Good afternoon, Kalispell Chamber family. We've made it to the last week of May. It's hard to believe. We're coming off last week's Growth Summit 2021, and all indications are that the program speakers, panelists, and moderators did an outstanding job. We're so grateful to the 180 attendees that want to be a part of the opportunities facing us over the next few years as we shape and define the growth that will change the face of our community. We learned about what is coming in the pipeline for Whitefish, Columbia Falls, and Kalispell through the city's development processes. We heard from 3 outstanding developers that have active projects in the downtown Kalispell community, and boy, are we lucky to have them. Each of them are eager to hear from you, the community, about what we want and hope for to begin driving that 18-hour walkable and vibrant downtown core. We learned about how public transportation can be a solution to some of our pains, what projects are going to be soon underway locally and on our state highway system, and we also talked about workforce needs and how attainable housing and affordable, accessible childcare is playing into the current shortages. This was just the beginning of the conversation, and we'll be continuing in ongoing meetings and small task force settings to roll up our sleeves and start defining action steps to address each of these issues individually. Speaking of transportation, the City of Kalispell invites you to review their draft plan of the MOVE 2040 plan, the Kalispell Area Transportation Plan. See the details below as to how you can participate this week on Wednesday, May 26th, either virtually or in person, over 2 sessions they're hosting. Last Friday, 10 representatives of your board of directors visited with Congressman Rosendale. It was a wonderful opportunity to have conversations around broadband and advocating for Montana at the congressional level. We had some great dialogue around infrastructure and what this bill that is underway in DC could and should do for our local community and Montana. June 15th, we'll have our first luncheon of 2021. Huge thanks to Don Kay for sponsoring, and our speakers, Rob Rutkowski of GPIA and the Interim Deputy Superintendent Pete Webster of Glacier National Park. Go to our calendar at kalispellchamber.com to get details and register. You can also go there. Leadership FLATHEAD applications are being accepted. If you have questions about the program, reach out to Margaret Baca. Until next time, stay well, stay healthy, and stay in touch.